That's not main part of my life, definitely not. Look, it's still I'm riding bikes because I have fun. I just found on the Facebook, Semmering is searching for shapers. So I sent the email and had something like that. They hired me. I was already helping on some small projects. We've been building downhill trails. I already have some knowledge from it. I'm shaper here. I like this work. It really fits to my racing career. First for me was riding bikes. It helps a little bit, but it's still hard because I still have to work like 8 hours per day. Well, the thing is, if you want to build something, you have to test it too, and better rider you are, better you can build. I'm always saying you have to be rider and then you can be a shaper. I can say they start racing 2007. Well, I did just one race this year, just like to try racing. Then I can say I got a little bit infected with racing, so I wanted to do more races.
Let's go.
From 2007 I'm racing pretty much every year. This is my home track. I'm working here, I'm shaping here. It's like I see this track actually gives you a little bit more pressure to race. One side it's easier, other side it's harder. Because all the people around you, or co-workers, or let's say marketing, they all expect that you will win again. Other riders, they think or they say that that's my advantage because I'm working here, but it's really not. Because look, track is the same for everyone. Track is open the whole year. So if you want to train, you can come here, you can train. I really learned to drive bugger here. So already the first year when I got here, start to work with the bugger, and it just gets better. In the winter, I learned to drive piste machine. I really don't have a favorite track. Some bigger jumps and stuff like this, maybe some weird gaps which nobody does them. This is what I like. I would definitely like to see bigger jump line. If you build it, I will test it, I don't care.